Welcome to Future Business School Book Bites. Picture this. You're standing at a crossroads in life, overwhelmed by challenges and doubts. Every path seems filled with obstacles, and the weight of negative thoughts drags you down. But what if, in that very moment, you had the power to transform your life by simply changing the way you think? Today, we're exploring The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale, a book that has empowered millions to overcome adversity and unlock their true potential. Stay with us, because this journey into the power of your mind will leave you inspired, motivated, and ready to conquer anything. The foundation of positive thinking begins with one essential principle: believe in yourself. Peale argues that self-belief is the cornerstone of success and happiness. Without it, you're likely to be overwhelmed by self-doubt and fear, which can paralyze your potential. Think of someone who constantly doubts their abilities. They might hesitate to apply for a promotion or take on a challenging project. Now, imagine if that same person decided to believe in their capabilities, pushing aside those doubts. This shift in mindset could propel them to take bold actions, leading to achievements they never thought possible. Peale teaches that believing in yourself is the first step to overcoming any obstacle and achieving your goals. Next, Peale emphasizes the power of a peaceful mind. In a world full of stress and anxiety, finding peace within yourself is crucial for maintaining a positive outlook. He suggests practices like prayer, meditation, and moments of quiet reflection to calm the mind and center your thoughts. Consider someone who starts their day with 10 minutes of meditation, focusing on positive affirmations and breathing deeply. This practice helps them approach the day with a calm and focused mind, ready to tackle any challenges that come their way. A peaceful mind is less likely to be swayed by negative thoughts, allowing you to stay focused on your goals and maintain a positive attitude even in difficult situations. Peale also discusses the importance of having constant energy. He explains that positive thinking is not just a mental exercise. It has a direct impact on your physical energy levels. By maintaining a positive mindset, you can boost your energy and enthusiasm, allowing you to tackle tasks with vigor and persistence. Imagine a busy professional who starts their day feeling exhausted, dreading the long hours ahead. But instead of succumbing to fatigue, they decide to focus on positive thoughts, thinking about the accomplishments they'll achieve and the satisfaction they'll feel at the end of the day. This positive energy fuels their actions, keeping them motivated and productive. Peale's message is clear. When you think positively, you generate the energy needed to sustain you through even the toughest days. One of Peale's key recommendations is to try prayer power. He believes that prayer is a powerful tool for connecting with a higher power, finding inner peace, and manifesting positive outcomes in your life. Prayer, when combined with positive thinking, can give you the strength and confidence to face any challenge. Consider a person who, in the face of a difficult decision, turns to prayer for guidance. By praying, they not only seek help, but also reinforce their own positive thoughts and intentions. This combination of faith and positivity creates a powerful force that can lead to clarity and resolution. Peale encourages us to use prayer as a way to strengthen our positive thinking and align ourselves with the greater good. Peale also teaches that happiness is not something that happens to you, it's something you create. In Create Your Own Happiness, he emphasizes that positive thinking plays a crucial role in cultivating joy and contentment in your life. By choosing to focus on the good in every situation, you can create a life filled with happiness. Imagine someone who is always focused on what's wrong in their life, the things they lack, the challenges they face. Now imagine if that same person started focusing on the positives, the things they're grateful for, the successes they've achieved, the love and support they have from others. This shift in focus can dramatically change their outlook on life, leading to greater happiness and fulfillment. Peale's message is simple. Happiness is a choice, and it starts with positive thinking. Again, see. Fear is one of the greatest obstacles to positive thinking and success. In Stop Fearing and Start Living, Peale explains that fear is often irrational and self-imposed. By confronting and overcoming your fears, you can break free from their paralyzing grip and start living a more positive, fulfilling life. Think of someone who is afraid of failure. This fear might prevent them from pursuing their dreams or taking risks that could lead to success. But if they confront that fear, understanding that failure is a natural part of growth, they can move forward with confidence. Peale encourages us to replace fear with faith and positivity, allowing us to live our lives to the fullest. Finally, Peale teaches us to expect the best and get it. This principle is about setting positive expectations for yourself and your life. When you expect good things to happen, you're more likely to take the actions needed to make them a reality. Imagine an athlete who expects to win a competition. This positive expectation drives them to train harder, focus more, and give their best performance. Their belief in a positive outcome helps them to achieve it. Peale's message is clear. When you expect the best, you're more likely to get it, because your positive mindset will lead you to take the necessary steps to achieve success. The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale is a timeless guide to transforming your life through the power of your thoughts. By believing in yourself, cultivating a peaceful mind, maintaining constant energy, and expecting the best, you can overcome obstacles, create your own happiness, and achieve your dreams. Like, share, and subscribe to future business school channels for more interesting videos.